Hey lovelies! Come summertime, there really is no better way to beat the heat than with frosty, fruity summer smoothies. So today I've teamed up with Amazon Prime to bring you 5 new delicious ways to enjoy them in honor of Amazon Prime Day on July 16th. Now, as far as I'm concerned, Amazon Prime Day is the best shopping day of the year because Amazon Prime members get amazing discounts on all sorts of awesome products, like this brand new Vitamix blender that just got delivered. I can't say I didn't smile a little when this package arrived at the door. I was pretty excited. All right, the moment of truth. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. Look at this beauty. We have a lot of smoothie making in our future, guys. Funny enough, you guys have been telling me to get a Vitamix for years, but up to this point, I just haven't been able to justify the splurge. So getting it on sale was a huge bonus. I'm pretty excited about it. I don't think I've ever done an unboxing video ever in the history of being on YouTube. Too short to get into this box. Ah! Whoa! I feel like you guys will be seeing a lot more of this baby in the coming months. It's got that new blender smell. Time for a wash. This year, Prime Day will last for 36 hours, with Prime members being eligible for discounts on everything from kitchen appliances to home electronics to baby gear to groceries. And pre-Prime Day deals have already started to roll out, with new deals available each and every day. The best way to ensure you don't miss a single deal is to download the Amazon Shopping app, which will send you a notification when new deals become available. How great is that? Now, without further ado, it is time to take this baby for a spin because I am ready for some smoothies. How about you? We're going to kick things off today with an incredibly tasty peachy mango smoothie. What could be more summery than that? In this smoothie, we are going to be starting with some beautiful frozen peaches. Now for all of these recipes, I'm using frozen fruit, so we're gonna get a nice, thick, slushy texture, super good. And that way you don't have to add any ice to your smoothie and water it down. Next, we are going to add our frozen mango chunks. To that, I'm also going to add some vanilla yogurt, and finally, some orange juice. Pop the lid on our blender, and are you ready for it? I'm pumped. Look how slushy and delicious this is. Basically like sunshine in a glass. That's one of the best smoothies I've ever made. That's how I actually drink my smoothies when you're not watching. Next, I am whipping up my strawberries and cream smoothie. Super creamy, dreamy, and delightful with a bit of a coconutty flavor. What's not to like about that? We'll start with some beautiful frozen strawberries in our blender, and then to that we are going to add a whole lot of creamy, dreamy, coconutty goodness, including some coconut flavored yogurt as well as some coconut milk. Now, I like using light coconut milk in my smoothies because I find the full fat stuff is a bit heavy, but of course it's totally up to you. And then we are also going to add some agave here. Honey will work just as well, but I always think a little additional sweetness goes a long way. We'll give this all a blend, and look how beautiful the results are. A frosty pink drink to help you start your day right. My next one I think I am most excited about. This is a creamy pineapple lemonade smoothie. Now, I will tell you, I have made pineapple lemonade on the channel before, not in a smoothie version, but just traditional pineapple lemonade, and it was delicious. So if you wanna look that recipe up when you're done with this yummy video, I highly recommend you do so. In the meantime, in our blender, we are going to add our frozen pineapple chunks, and then for our lemonade flavor, of course, we need some lemon. So I'm gonna do the zest and juice of a lemon. You can add a little more lemon or a little less lemon, depending on how sour you want this. I'll add another drizzle of agave syrup for sweetness, and then finally, I'm going to add some coconut milk to this. I can't think of a better way to enjoy lemonade this summer. So refreshing, sweet, and tangy. I promise you, this pineapple lemonade will have you pining for more. Next, for something truly inspired, I am whipping up a vanilla berry Bliss smoothie. And you'll understand the Bliss part in a second because it is so delicious. It starts with some frozen strawberries in our blender, like so. I am also adding some frozen wild blueberries. I'm also going to add some vanilla flavored yogurt to this, as well as some vanilla flavored protein powder, and then I'll top it up with some milk and give it a good blend. Berry anything is totally irresistible for me this time of year, but add a little vanilla to it and you've basically got summer sip perfection. Finally, I'm whipping up what I'm calling my Dreamy Green smoothie because you actually won't believe how delicious it is considering I've snuck some greens in here. We're starting with some frozen banana in our blender. Always great to use frozen bananas because you get a nice cold, creamy texture. To that, I am adding half of an avocado. Then I will pile in my greens. I'm using kale here, but of course, baby spinach is another great option if that's what you have on hand. Next, I'll add some vanilla flavored protein powder. And then finally, we will top this all off with a good splash of almond milk and give it a whirl. It's not every day you find a green smoothie that tastes this good. Trust me on this one. I've made a lot of green smoothies in my day. Lovelies, I really hope you found these rainbow smoothies inspiring and that you'll give them a try. If you do, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Snapchat me a photo because as always, I love seeing your kitchen creations. Remember that Amazon Prime Day is July 16th. You can sign up for your 30-day free trial of your Amazon Prime membership at Amazon.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Happy shopping to you all. And finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.